everyone and welcome to Eat and Shine. Today we'll be making one of my most favorite dishes. It's mushroom season. We are making rice with mushrooms. First off, I'm heating some olive oil in my pan. Adding the onion and I'm gonna saute it until it's caramelized. Getting the celery in there and I'm going to saute this for an additional of 3 minutes. Getting some green peppers in here. You can also use red peppers or both. I really enjoy peppers with mushrooms. Time for the mushrooms. You can use any type of mushroom that you like, any type that you can farm on your farmer's market. And mushrooms are like sponges, so it's really important to add in the spices as they're cooking so that they can absorb all different flavors. And I really like adding some Cajun spice into this. It goes great, so I'm adding, quite some. That's what is gonna get the flavor from as well as the vegetables. And salt. And if you want that buttery flavor, you can add in some butter, definitely. I'm now going to saute this for an additional of 5 minutes and then we're gonna get in the rice. Now I'm going to add in my rice. I'm using Basmati rice. I really like Basmati rice. To me it's very light and it's very easy to digest. So what I do is I rinse it with cold water for about a minute or two to get rid of the extra starch. And now I've rinsed it, drained it, I'm going to add it to my pan. It smells delicious, by the way. The vegetables and the Cajun seasoning, when they all come together, the aromas are really, really delicious. I'm going to saute the rice with the vegetables for a minute or two and then I'm going to add in the water. So what I like to do is, if I'm using 1 cup of rice, I'll add 1.5 cups of water. This is always my measurement when using Basmati rice and it always gives great results. And when you saute your rice, what you do is you give it a nutty flavor. And that always translates into your dish once it's cooked. Now I'm adding the water, some more salt, giving everything a nice mix. When it comes to boil, I'm going to put it on a simmer, cover on the lid, and cook until the rice absorbs all the water. The rice has absorbed all the water. Now I'm going to let it rest. But what I like to do is I like to add some cooked lentils, which will make this dish more fulfilling and it's going to help you stay full for longer. So that's what I'm doing, covering it with a clean kitchen towel and waiting for 10 more minutes. And we are ready. I'm going to give everything a nice mix. So good, almost risotto-like. You can also do this dish with black rice. I sometimes do it with black rice. Brown rice works great. I'm a big fan of rice. I'm going to transfer this to a plate, add some green onions, and there you have it. The perfect bowl, if you ask me. I hope you guys try it. If you try it, don't forget to leave your comments down below. You can subscribe to my channel. I usually share healthy, delicious, easy Mediterranean recipes and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.